Box 2. Mary Purdy gave me that. She made it. Sharon Ellsworth gave me that in 1977. Ricky. 2000 something, I can't tell. Looks like 2001. I don't know. Daddy made this one. He made a spider web. He thought I would throw it out. I'm like, no, I love it. What else is in here? All kinds of cushioning. What is that? All right. Oh, what's in here? Oh. It's broken. We'll have to glue it, but it doesn't play the music anymore. Maybe it just needs a battery. Looks that way. Yeah, we'll get that fixed. This was from Kathy, I believe. Grampy and Nana. I think it was from Grampy and Nana. Made me think of Kathy. You got this in Hawaii. It's a gift. Disney. I don't know whose that is. It doesn't say that it's anybody's. It's just a Disney one. So if you want to claim it. Oh, the layers. Ricky. You were so sick, honey. I'm worried because you're sick now. Rawr. Just oh, that says Ricky. The Y looked like a J from the other side. This was 2008. Ricky. This one is Ricky's. Oh, this is Jessica's. Oh, we've had this forever. I got some stuffed ones. Nancy gave us these. It's a twin to Nancy Beaton. That's your Nana's sister. Pink glitter ball. I don't know if that's Lisa's. Ricky 04. It's the world. Oh. Oh no. It's cute. Oh goodness. I made this storky, I know, but I made it. Okay, I found 3 of these in another box. They're on the tree already. Well, 2 of them are one of these. And all of their equipment is from Germany. So they've got a recipe that is filled with precision, and they have absolutely the right equipment that gives you this beautiful cinnamon, the cinnamon flavor. So the almonds are going to be from California. I put those on like my cereal too. Yes. So good. The pecans, oh my heavens. I mean, look at how big they are. They look huge, and the pecans happen to be from California as well, I believe. 2019 Jesse and Ricky's ornaments. I can't read my own writing. Then we get into the cashews that are from India. You guys can take your ornaments. Beautiful. And then here they're for you. So Red Sox ornament. That was Brandenburg gave this to Daddy. Nice gift. A Christmas ornament's always a nice gift, in my opinion, because you remember where they came from most of the time. Whose is this? I don't see it. Whose is this? I don't remember where this came from. That's terrible. It's beautiful. And I don't know if it was Heather. Maybe it was Heather. I don't know. It's awful. It used to sing. 1996. Oh. This is one of my favorites. Jesse, you can tell the story. I'll put it on the tree. Here's what I think is great about this, is that this is the truly gourmet experience. You know, you'll never find something that is just like easy to find in your grocery store during gourmet holiday here at QVC. We want to bring you the best of the best, where you get something that is, you can't find this anywhere else. This pecan has not only, you know, I know, it's taken forever. Let's see what else is in the box so you can get a look. What else? We got a lot of homemade ornaments down there. We got, oh, Daddy made this one. Yep, Daddy carved that. Santa looks sad though. He looks like, oh shit, I forgot something. Whoops. But it's very cool. Love it. And looky. It's Santa. Love that one too. Rachel made this for me. For us.
I love this one. I love the ones that people make. All right, I have to sit down. This is too much. I love you. Bye.